Nissan brings the Nismo beast to the US. Meet the Armada Nismo. The charged-up Nismo version of Nissan's legendary off-roader first appeared over 10 years ago, but only in the United Arab Emirates. Now, the performance SUV has gone global. Nissan just unveiled two siblings, the 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo for the Middle East and the almost identical 2026 Nissan Armada Nismo for North America. From the outside, the Nismo editions look radically different from the standard Patrol and Armada. You get a larger, more squared-off grille, redesigned bumpers, muscular side skirts, and even a sporty spoiler mounted on the rear hatch. Redesigned fog lights sit up front, while the rear diffuser houses a central fog lamp, a motorsport-inspired touch. Signature Nismo red accents run along the body, giving the SUV a menacing stance. Thanks to the new body kit, the SUV grew by 90 millimeters, or 3.5 inches, stretching it to 5,295 millimeters, or 208.5 inches. Width is up 40 millimeters, 1.6 inches, now at 2,070 millimeters, or 81.5 inches. Forged 22-inch wheels wrapped in specially developed performance tires complete the package. Step inside and you're greeted by a two-tone red and black cabin. The front sport seats feature adjustable side bolsters to hold you tight in hard cornering. Red accents and carbon fiber look trim highlight the dashboard and doors. The steering wheel gets a motorsport-style zero-position marker, and the aluminum pedals remind you this isn't your average family SUV. The infotainment system and ambient lighting now feature special Nismo driving modes, adding to the immersive and sporty feel. Under the hood, the American-spec Armada Nismo comes with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, upgraded from 425 to 466 horsepower, measured in SAE horsepower. Torque remains at 700 Newton-meters or 516 pound-feet. The Middle Eastern Patrol Nismo goes even further, cranking out 495 horsepower, thanks to revised valve timing, a freer-flowing exhaust, and even a sound enhancement system that pumps engine roar directly into the cabin. Both models pair the twin-turbo V6 with a retuned 9-speed automatic and Nissan's full-time all-wheel drive system with a clutch-type transfer case for the front axle. Interestingly, chassis tuning was developed with Middle Eastern buyers in mind, known for their extreme desert driving culture. While you won't be pulling off the infamous Arab drift or balancing on two wheels, the Armada and Patrol Nismo feature sport-tuned adaptive dampers and a lowered ride height, down from 244 millimeters or 9.6 inches to 195 millimeters or 7.7 inches. Steering and stability control systems have been recalibrated for sharper response. Despite its performance setup, the SUV still has serious muscle, a curb weight of 2,817 kilograms or 6,210 pounds, and a towing capacity of 3.9 metric tons or 8,600 pounds. In the United Arab Emirates, the Patrol Nismo is already on sale starting at $122,000 United States dollars. The US spec Armada Nismo is officially classified as a 2026 model year vehicle and will hit American dealerships this fall. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but expected to slot well above the fully loaded Armada Platinum Reserve, which currently sells for $79,000. With nearly 500 horsepower, aggressive bodywork, and a cabin built for enthusiasts, the Armada Nismo is Nissan's boldest move yet to bring Middle Eastern performance SUV culture to American roads.